Dear friends, have a good day. Here in this video, today we are going to look at theorems on uncountable sets. The statement of the theorem is the set closed interval 0, 1 is uncountable. To prove the theorem, you must know first of what is uncountable set. There is no specific definition for uncountable set. A set which is not countable is said to be uncountable. So assume the contrary of the statement. Here what we have to prove is the set closed interval 0, 1 is uncountable. So here assume the contrary, that is opposite to that of the given statement. So assume that closed interval 0, 1 is countable. When a set is said to be countable, any set A which is equivalent to n the set of all natural number, then the set is said to be countable. Since we have assumed that the set closed interval 0, 1 is countable, then the closed interval 0, 1 is equivalent to n the set of all natural numbers. Therefore, there exists a one-to-one correspondence between n on to closed interval 0, 1. That is, there must exist a one-to-one and on-to mapping between n and closed interval 0, 1. Therefore, the set of all elements other than 0 and 1 in closed interval 0, 1 can be written as x1, x2, x3, etc., xn, etc. such that x1 is equal to 0.a11, a12, a13, etc., a1n, etc. Because here we have taken the set of all elements in closed interval 0, 1 is countable. That is why x1, x2, x3, etc., xn are all lies between 0 to 1, and that is why here we have taken x1 as 0.a11, a12, a13, etc., a1n, etc. Similarly, x2 is also an element in closed interval 0, 1. So its value also becomes 0 point something. That is why here we have taken x2 is equal to 0.a21, a22, a23, etc., a2n, etc. In the same way, we have taken x3 is equal to 0.a31, a32, a33, etc., a3n. Therefore, in general, we have taken xn as 0.an1, an2, an3, etc., ann, etc., and so on. Let us take y is equal to 0.b1, b2, b3, etc., bn, b, another element in closed interval 0, 1 such that b1 is not equal to a11 and b1 not equal to 0. Then what you can say is this y is not equal to x1 and b2 not equal to a22 and b2 not equal to 0. Then what you can say is this y is not equal to x2. In the same way, b3 not equal to a33 and b3 not equal to 0, then what you can say is this y is not equal to x3. Similarly, if we take bn not equal to ann and bn not equal to 0, then this y is not equal to xn. Therefore, from the definition of y, what you can say is this y is not equal to any one of x1, x2, x3, etc., xn, etc. Therefore, y is not equal to any one of x1, x2, x3, etc., xn in closed interval 0, 1. Therefore, this y does not belongs to closed interval 0, 1, which is a contradiction to the definition of y, because we have taken y is equal to 0.b1, b2, b3, etc., bn, etc. Since y is the value of 0 point something, it must also belongs to the closed interval 0, 1. So, which is a contradiction. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Here what we have assumed is closed interval 0, 1 is countable. That is wrong. Therefore, closed interval 0, 1 cannot be a countable one. Hence, the set closed interval 0, 1 is uncountable. Thank you.